What's going on, guys? How you doing today? If you are new here, my name is Brad and this is Emmanuel. We are going to be your entertainers today. So Korean fire noodles, right? So yeah, we've been doing these. It's kind of done it like a little series, if you like. Started off on level 1, then we jumped up to number 6. Then found out that there's actually 8 levels. So this is level 5. So
let's jump right in, mate.
if you've been watching the others, then you know the drill. You know the deal. You know how it's gonna go down. We're gonna pour this devil's blood looking stuff into the noodles.
What flavour is this?
This chicken stew thing. I don't know.
This is a different texture.
Oh,
It's like paste.
just chuck in there. Oh, it smells different. Oh, it smells.
This smells like death.
Oh, this one.
I don't know the flavour.
Not too sure about this one so far. Oh. Oh. Get the kettle, might need a bit more water.
And this the greatest of all time, Samyang.
Oh, I don't like the smell of this one. Oh, there's dried chili in this.
That's not too bad. It's like some flavour seasoning. Actually, it's whatever you say.
Right, anyway, look.
50-50.
Can we stop talking about Fortnite? We're trying to do this. Forget what's on the TV. Forget that Daniel's playing Fortnite. Because he's too much of a to do this challenge.
Family friendly, mate.
Oh yeah. Right, so the Korean fire noodles level 5. Yeah, let's do this. By the way, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Always got to
Plug.
You could call it a plug.
Shout yourself out, whatever. But can you like play like loud music over out eating noise?
Oh, I think I have a new favourite.
Yeah, this is nice. It's nothing that spicy. And you played yourself.
Huh?
This one is hang, it's nothing that spicy either. This is pain.
I like this.
I thought because the curve was packed, it was gonna be spicy.
I mean, there's something there. I mean, I wouldn't say it's, you know, hot, spicy like some of the others that we've done, but
What level is this as well?
this level 5, it's supposed to be level 5, but yeah, I feel like level 3 was even worse than this.
Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Everybody, yeah, baba. Do something, yeah, baba. I reach like down to the
Not gonna lie, once you've done 5 different lots of them, you kind of realise that They all taste kind of the same. To be honest, I think I'm kind of getting fed up. Ah no! The battery's gonna die. Let's just try and see if we can get this.
Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this.
It's getting more and more spicy now.
Yeah. I'm kind of getting fed up with this.
Oh no no. Oh no no. Like a this, like a that. We are juju like this. Like a this, like a that. We are boom.
Do you know what? So tempting.
Do it.
Wow. Music and the beat.
The more I eat of this, the less I'm actually enjoying it.
Done.
You know what?
Let's see.
It's not so much the heat. It's more the flavour that's kind of getting to me now. I think I'm kind of getting a bit fed up with the flavour.
Salute Baba, you call me Richie Baba. At this point in time, I wanna see everybody get loose. Hey, spray me that money. Come on, let's go. Dollar nim, lati kekere, latim nowo, natim nowo, eh. Lati kekere, latim kawo, latim kawo, eh. Lati kekere, latim nowo, eh. Lati kekere, latim kawo, eh. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Everybody, yeah, Baba. Do something, yeah, Baba. I reach like down to the Baba. Salute Baba. They call me Richie Baba.
And this the greatest of all time.
That is that one done, guys. That's level 5 done. The flavour was nice to begin with. The further you get through it, the less nice the flavour is. But
Peace out.
yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna do that one again. We've got 7 and 8 left to do. So if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Turn on my post notifications so you never miss a new video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.
Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this. Bounce to the beat like this. Move your hips like this.
So it turns out number 5 is not about while you're eating it. It's the after you finished eating it. Oh, it's horrible.